Hello friends, myself Prashant Chintal. Today we are going to start with the Python programming language. And before start with the Python programming language, we should know different types of editors which are available to write the Python program. So there are many editors are available to write the Python program, like the VS Code editor, like Atom, like Jupyter Notebook, Vim, PyCharm. Different types of editors are available to write the Python program. So we should choose the editor of your choice. In our case, we are using the Jupyter Notebook as the interface to write the Python program. So whenever we launch the Jupyter Notebook, the interface is look like something this, where you can see different types of folders available here. So if you wanted to create the Python program, first you are going to start to create the folder. So to create the folder, you click on this new and then click on this folder. So once you click on this folder, you can see at the downward one special folder is created with the name untitled folder. You click on this by using this checkbox and then you click on this rename button. So here you can change the name of this folder like Python test demos. So the folder has been renamed. Here you can see, you click on this folder, it opens that folder where you can write the Python program and store all the files here. So to create the new Python file, you again click on this new button and click on this Python 3 kernel. Once you click on this Python 3 kernel, then you can see this interface. Here you can see the file with the name untitled. Firstly, you click on this untitled word, it opens the dialog box to rename the file. So here I'm just giving the name of this file as Jupyter shortcut. So the name of the file is renamed to Jupyter shortcuts, and you can see in the address bar the name of the file as Jupyter shortcuts.ipynb. That's called as IPython notebook. So here, in addition to this, you can see the menu bar with different options with the toolbar, and one text box is provided here where you can write the code. So now here you start writing the code of Python. So whenever you write the Python code, we just try for this some code here. So print, say suppose I am writing here first line, print second line, print third line. Now say suppose this is a code that I have written down. Now I wanted to execute this. To execute this code from this cell, you have to hit shift key and enter key on the keyboard. Once you make this key combination, shift and enter key, the cell content are getting executed, right? So here you can just move from one cell to another cell by using what? Arrow keys, downward arrow keys and upward arrow keys. Now one more thing is there here to notice is that there are two different types of modes as far as this writing of Python program is concerned, as far as this cell is also concerned. Okay, so here you can see the outline of this cell is become green. The outline of the lower cell also can be seen here as a green. So this is called as the edit mode of cell, where you can edit or you can write your code. One more mode is available, that is called as command mode. Command mode is used to copy the contents of one cell to another cell, or cut the one cell and paste it to another place, otherwise merge different cells into one cell, or whatever contents are all of the cell are there, you can split those contents into different cells, or you can find and replace the things from all the cells and replace with some other contents. So all these type of commands you can give in the command mode. Now whenever you press escape key, it becomes the command mode. So this is called as command mode, and you can just shift from cells by using what? The upward and downward arrow keys, like this you can see here. And whenever you hit enter key, it automatically becomes the green, and this indicates that this cell is in the edit mode. Whenever you hit the escape key, it indicates that this cell is in command mode. Now If suppose I am writing one more code here, say suppose say suppose in command mode I am writing A is equal to 10, B equal to 20, then C equal to A plus B, then I am printing all these values A, B and C. Again I can execute this. You can see this code, right? So we will create one more cell here. A var equal to say 100, then B var equal to 200, C var equal to A var plus B var, and then try to print all these values like A var, comma, B var, comma, C var, and then execute this cell. So you can see you can write the program in different cells, and independently all these cells can be executed by hitting Shift and Enter. Now we see different operations which can be performed on cell. So there are 3 different operations that you can now firstly perform on cell, that is copy the content of one cell and paste it to some other place, then cut the content of the cell or cut the cell and paste it to some other place. Alright, so it is called as copy paste operation and cut paste operation. So the key combination used to copy, paste and cut operations are C is for copy, then X is for cut and V is for paste. So you can make the combination of C and V, it is copy and paste. You can make the combination as the X and V, it is called as cut and paste, right? So these key combinations or this combination you can use for copy paste or cut paste, right? So here we will try for that. So now for this purpose you should be in the command mode, not in the code mode or edit mode. In edit mode you can type the things inside the cell. When you click on the escape, you come out of the edit mode and you are in the command mode. Here you can try for all these operations, that is called as copy paste and cut paste. To copy this cell contents, that is the first cell I wanted to copy, and paste it into what? This third place. So whenever I copy, so I should be in the command mode. Here I am hitting C on my keyboard and I come on this second cell. Now here I am trying to hit V. So the content of first cell will be copied below this particular cell. So if I click on V, automatically the content of the first cell will be copied at the third place. Just wait. See here, totally 4 different cells you can see. The first cell content will be copied below the second cell. So like this you can copy the content, or you can copy one cell and paste it to some other place. In similar way, if I wanted to copy or cut and paste this particular second or third cell at the second place. So what I should do, I should be in the command mode. Here I should hit X for cut, and I should come on the first cell, and then I should hit V is for paste. Whenever you hit V, it will paste the content of that particular cell, or that cell will be copied below this currently selected cell. If I hit V, automatically that particular cell will be copied at the second place. So like this you can make the combination of copy paste and cut paste. I hope this is clear to you. Now in the similar way, if you wanted to merge the content of first cell and second cell, say suppose I am changing this to the code mode, and again if suppose I am changing the content like fourth line, because here we are trying for merging the cells so that it will become easy for you to understand. Fourth line, fifth line, then sixth line, and again I execute this cell. You can see the output of this particular cell will be shown below the same cell. Now I wanted to merge these two cells. So to merge these two cells, I should select these two cells by holding the shift key and down arrow key, right? So I am just selecting these two cells. Now I wanted to merge these two cells. So here I should hit Shift and M. I should hit Shift plus M. That will merge the content of both the cells into one single cell. You can see the output below this cell. Now here this is how you can merge two different cells. If you wanted to split the content of these cells, you can hit on Control Shift underscore. You can see the content of cell are splitted into two different cells. The first cell and second cell is get splitted. If you want to merge, again I am showing you the merge operation here. The cells are get merged. Now Shift and enter. Now see here, two cells will get merged and the output you can see here. If you wanted to split this one cell into two different cells, again you come wherever you want to split the cell into two different cells, and here you make the combination Control and underscore. So see here, first cell and second cell is get splitted. So here if I make the combination Shift and enter, so it will give this output, again for this output. So in this way you can see the merge and split operation. Like this you can change the content of cells or bunch of cells by a single hit, that is F. F is for find and replace, right? So here wherever a variable is there, I wanted to change it with some another value. So if suppose I hit F, so A should be replaced with some other value. So before that I am selecting all the cells by Control A and then hit this F. F opens the find and replace dialog box. So here I am just clicking on A, then A var. A var is there. A var I wanted to replace with my var, and then click on rename or replace all. So you can see in this particular cell all the variables with the name A var get replaced with M var or my var. So here again I can execute this program. You can just create the note of your code also. If you wanted to give the note, or you can create the notes, or you can create the text for your code, you can create by using what markdown facility, which is provided by Jupyter Notebook. So to do this, you just go inside what escape key, and then it is become the command mode. So in this command mode you just hit M, right? M is for markdown. So before this, one more thing I wanted to tell you, that if you wanted to insert the new cell above and below the current cell, that is also very important point to know. So before this first cell I wanted to create one more new cell, so I should hit A in the command mode. So above the first cell one more new cell has been created where you can write your code. If you wanted to create below this one more cell I wanted to create, so you should hit B. So B is for creating the new cell below the currently working cell. A is for creating the new cell above the currently working cell. So like this you can just go with these key combinations. A is for creation of the new cell above the current cell, B is for creation of new cell below the current cell. Now in the first line I wanted to create some heading using markdown facility provided by Jupyter Notebook. So here I should hit the key combination M. M, whenever you click M, and then enter, right? So you can observe that the IN or the square brackets are removed from these cells, means this cell is become markdown cell. So here I wanted to write some text. So this is first code slot and shift and enter. So this becomes the code, or this becomes the text for this particular code. So for each and every code you can provided some user defined text for your understanding, or you can just create the notes also. Some more facilities also are given here, like if I enter this, it goes in edit mode for markdown cell. Here if I add hash symbol followed by the space, it becomes the headings for that particular text. Again I hit shift and enter, this become the heading that you can see on the screen. Again if I enter something like 2 hash symbols and try to write, this is subheading, and hit this, you can see that the first line is shown with the text with a larger size, the second line shown with the text with a smaller size, right? Let me just correct this spelling first, right? Like this you can add different types of text for your understanding of code. So here again I'm going inside this code. Again if I wanted to write some text here, this code is used to understand the shortcuts provided by Jupyter. So here something like this you can see. So here if I go again inside this cell by hitting the enter key, and if I write here double star, the text is become bold. See, you can see the bold. Otherwise again I'm hitting something like this, or the partial portion of this code if I wanted to make bold, I just enclose it within double stars, and some of the text I wanted to make italic, so it is by using what? The single star for making it italic, and double star is for making it bold. So like this you can have the markdown mode of this particular cell, where you can write the note of your code above or below the code or edit mode. So here in this way you can just add the markdown cell also, right? So one more example I am showing you. For this third cell, if I wanted to convert this into markdown cell, first I should be in command mode, that is the outline of the cell should be blue, and for this I should hit M. Once I hit M, the IN appears, will be disappeared now, right? If I wanted to again roll back to again the code cell or the original cell, I should hit Y. Y is for what? Writing the code, right? Otherwise if you wanted to write the comments or the note, you just convert it into what? Markdown cell. So again I am hitting M. M is for markdown cell, Y is for edit mode to write the code or comments, and again markdown cell to write the code. So again I hit enter and escape, enter and escape. Enter is for changing the contents of this cell or markdown cell. Escape is for copy the content of or cut the content of this cell and paste it to somewhere else, or some different operation at cell level you can do here. So now here I am writing some text here. So here 1 2 3 4, see here the level of heading will get changed. So this is the second level of heading, and I am adding here. So here it should have the space. So I should enter shift and enter this key combination. You can see the heading has been created. So like this, for a particular cell of code, whatever logic you have developed, for that you can write some text for your understanding above or below that particular cell. So these are the information that you should know as far as this lecture is concerned. In the next lecture, we will see how to make the bullets, how to create the hyperlinks, etc. in this Jupyter notebook, and using the shortcuts only. And then we'll start with actual Python programming language, where you can see the start with the what variables, data types, operators, and then conditional statements, then control structures. Different types of things are there which are very much basic to C++ language, and then we just go in what advanced parts. Okay, so for today we'll stop here. Bye bye.